days like this, I gotta ask myself, what am I gonna do? I'm off work, we're getting some water, I'm gonna grill. That's it. We're firing up the old bull. The 680 is gonna light it up. We're gonna grill some ribs. That'll work. Let's get back. All right, so here's the deal. I always do 3-2-1 ribs on the bull. I love them, but I'd like to try something a little different. So a gentleman by the name of Wilbur Pruden in another grilling group, he said he puts his on for his ribs, his baby backs on for 5 hours, and then 1 hour. He does that at 225, and then 1 hour at 300. He does not put sauce on them, doesn't spritz them, no rubs. All he puts on them is a little black pepper and coarse salt, which that's what I did, coarse kosher salt. And completely out of my comfort zone, so I'm kind of eager to see how it's going to turn out. But it supposedly lets the smoke take center stage, his words. Exactly. And my man looked like he knew what he was doing, so we're going to try that today. It's on a Wednesday, so I was only able to get 1 rack of ribs at my butcher. But I have the 680. It's sitting at 225 right now. I'm going to throw this rack in, and here in a little bit, I'm actually going to fire up the bullseye too, so I can get me a couple steaks going for lunch. But just salt and pepper. I'm using the Ultimate Blend from Rectech. It's white oak, red oak, and hickory. Never go wrong with that. So we're on the clock now. Let's see how it turns out. Let y'all know. I just bumped up to 300. It's been 5 hours. I didn't see any point in me posting about that part. And I'm getting video of me doing that because I just sitting here at the table and did it from my phone because I have a Rectech and they're awesome. So, but all right, in another hour we'll see what it's all about. Bye. Well, here's the end result. They're very good, different flavor. I really like them. It's just they are it's just a different. I don't know. I suggest everyone try. I might change the times up a little bit, but overall, I really enjoyed them. I mean, that's a good piece of meat. They're a little crispy on the outside. It's not overpowered by the sauce. I mean, it really is. You can taste the smoke in it. I like it. I may have to go down a different road with it a little bit, maybe times, like I said, but I definitely want to check it out. So I think y'all should try it.